unbreakable unity. Believers are called to have unbreakable union with Christ. How to keep the unity of the Spirit in the church family, maging sa ating mga pamilya, by operating in love. Amen po ba? Mag-operate po tayo sa pag-ibig. Ito yung in all things, iba-iba, kailangan nag-ooperate sa pag-ibig. Be completely humble and gentle, be patient, bearing with one another in love, because we believe that Christ's love binds all things together in unity. Amen po ba? There is unity, success is achieved, and we fulfill the great calling that we receive from God. When there is unity, love and harmony are present. Great Commission is hampered. God's power is manifested. Growth and success are achieved. And God is pleased. At naniniwala po tayo sa pagkakaisa ay mayroong tagumpay at tumutugon tayo sa dakilang panawagan ng Diyos sa ating mga buhay. Amen? Palakpakan po natin ang Lord.